Hi everyone, I am Subha and I am making this quick video to let you know that you can get 81 premium fonts for free by visiting the link in the description below. This is super bundle collection from KDP Fabrica. As you can see, it includes 81 premium fonts. These fonts are with lifetime personal and commercial license absolutely for free. This is limited time offer from KDP Fabrica. You can get this during the next 19 days and 19 hours. As you can see, timer is running out. 39 5-star reviews. I have already downloaded this. Let me show you what others are saying about this. These are wonderful. Thanks so much. Great. Thanks. These are recent reviews. Thanks for all the fonts. I just got a new computer and needed some fonts for it. And there is another one. Great bundle of fonts. This bundle is awesome. Thanks. Let me show you what this bundle includes. It is totally for free and it includes 81 premium fonts that allows you to use for personal and commercial purposes. So you can use this to create book covers and book interiors. Let me show you the actual bundle. Once you download, you will get a zip folder like this. You can right click on it and extract to the folder. I will replace all. These are all script fonts and really beautiful design fonts. You can create print on demand products. You can create KDP covers, KDP interiors and much more. Let me show you some of the fonts. You can see this is script font, and let me show the next one. Go back. I found very beautiful fonts inside. This is another one. There was another beautiful font with the beautiful name. Okay, this is really cool. You can see really amazing font, and a lot of other fonts, all script fonts. These are 81 in total. Let me show you this last one. Wonderful font. It's actually wonderful. So you can get this for free and with the commercial licenses allowed. So check out the link in the description below. Get your hands on to this bundle before it is gone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.